Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you a little montage from my fishing trip from April 25th. It was me, my father, and one of my friends who never fished before. We went for a full day carp fishing trip, but ended up catching a bunch of literal dinosaurs instead. We arrived at about 7 a.m. to this smaller private fishery. It was a nice sunny day, which many fishermen will tell you isn't ideal weather for carp fishing. We found out ourselves rather quickly. We were learning how to set up our rod stands, how to tie proper carp fishing leaders and knots. After I cast out my first rod with a halibut pellet and a piece of foam corn to let it float a little bit, it wasn't long before the first bite. We had one rod cast, and there went the bite. And the instant I set the hook, I realized this shit is not a carp.
Otočíš, jo?
Jo.
Tak ho toč. Máš to tady volný celý, jenom ho napouštěj tady do toho. Já jsem víš, vole?
Má takovou sílu, jo?
Jo. Ale osvědčený. Oni ty, jestli to řekl, extrém. Pár pelet na PVAčko, to bylo naláká, ale to je tak, počkej, co to bylo? To bylo levej. Takže to je na pelet. Klasika, jak jsem je říkal já vždycky. Ale to zápasíšek úplně. Já byl docela velký. Právě 50 kg. Jako neboj se ten trud nechat zafungovat. Vidíš to? Buď v kontaktu, ale dej mu prostor, protože on někdy je do toho jako zamotaný. Ale je tam normálně bublínka, takže to... Teď nevím, jestli to je... Takže tady můžu znovu opatřit. Ona, když mu dáš lopnout potom, vzduchu jako. Ale ono ho to, jestli takhle si dotáhne. To normálně a jakoby do strany. A naveď ho mimo ty šutry. Jako spíš sem, no. Mohu upálit šutry nebo ten podběrák. Já myslím, že mám ještě čas podběráka.
And soon it was confirmed. It was a sturgeon. A starlet sturgeon specifically. I have never caught a sturgeon before in my life, and after a 3-year break from fishing, I catch my first one, and we weren't even close to done for the day. After finally beating the starlet sturgeon and pulling out the little common carp, less than an hour later, I had another bite. This time from something much heftier. This fish easily took out 100 meters of my line in a single dash. After a little bit I realized that my brake was a bit loose, which was honestly kind of embarrassing. And he also managed to tangle himself in another fisherman's line. The footage is a bit confusing, but it was a good fight, even though my father had to step in and help me a little bit.
Ale hlídej si ten kontakt, jo, jakmile povolí, tak abys to neuvolnil, takže vyklepe háček. To chceš jako pustit až na hráz, nebo co? No, do strany, jestli tě bys viděl oka. Viděl jsem hlavu, vole. Jo. To bylo on, to seš ty.
Ne, to někdo nahodil podle mě.
Kolik ty toho sebral, vole? Hodně. Počkej,
Furt ti bere, ne?
to je ten, vole, hajzl, který nám to vzal tenkrát.
To je...
Máš tu brzdu hodně povolenou, jo? Musíš trošku jako se s ním maličko přetahovat, jo? Zároveň s tím, jak přibližíš pičku. No, to není zas tak hrozný, jo. Asi... Počkej, to někoho táhneš, no. To je možný. Netáhnem tě? No on ho nechal zajet.
To byl pořádnej, to.
Dobrý, jsme na břehu.
And that's that. Short and sweet video of my wonderful day out fishing. Thank you all for watching, and be ready for the next few weeks, for I have a lot in store for you. So see you next time.